Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make search filter in RecyclerView like this. When you wanna search something here, it should filter it and show for you like HTML or Kotlin or Java script like this. Let's make it. At the first, we have to go to the myadapter.java and here we have to make the array object. This object holds the all string objects inside of it, and we create this object because we want to store these data inside of the filtered list. Let's store all of them. After that, let's go to the item count, and we want to show item count for us as much as the filtered list. And after that, we want to show when we filtered something and when we want to search something, it filter it by name. For this reason, we have to change here like this. Yes. And after that, let's go to the main activity. In main activity, we have to make the object of our search view. Let's see the ID of our search view. Our ID of search view is search view. And after that, let's go to the main activity, and here let's write the object. Let's create the object of our search view. After that, let's initialize it. After that, let's make the set on query text listener. And after that, we don't need to change this method. We have to change this method. At the first, we have to change false into true. And after that, we have to write myadapter dot you make a method, you create a method name whatever you want. I wanna create a method name by the name of filter, and after that we have to write this inside of this. And after that, let's make the method of this. When you bring your mouse over on it, it shows like this, and you click here, create method in myadapter.java class. Yes, our method is created, and now inside of our method we make our condition. At the first, we told the filtered list dot clear, because if it doesn't be here, our filtered list doesn't work. After that, we say if the S mean when the user wanna search something. If the search bar is empty, you have to show this. You have to show all of the element. And if the filtered list isn't empty, we have to write an array. We have to write an for loop. If the search bar isn't empty, it shows filtered list dot add name I whatever the user want. Now let's see our program. I think our program has problem because it's only show the name, doesn't show the image and also description of that. We will fix that. At the first, let's see our program because I wanna show you the differences between them. Now we have them, and let's write something here. It doesn't work. I think it has a problem. Yes. Because we write this because every time it update our recycler view when we search at the search bar. Now let's write CSS. It doesn't work. Yes, it has a problem in here because we shouldn't initialize equal. Now let's run our program. Let's write something here. For example, CSS. It shows CSS for us. And if we write something else like JavaScript, it shows Java, but it doesn't show the image of Java and the description of Java. Let's fix this. For fixing this issue, we have to go to all the method, and here for image we have to write something like this. And for description, I wanna write this. And after that, remember to add image. Control C in the image. And for description, remember to write this variable inside of description array. And after that, let's run our program again, and I think the problem is fixed. Now let's see our program. CSS, yes. JavaScript, yes. Kotlin, yes. Look, the image, name and description is the same. Is different. And also shows the everything of that. If you don't initialize and hold a method these things, it only shows the name of them, doesn't show the image and description of them. Thanks for your attention. If this video was helpful, don't forget to support us, and you can support us with subscribe, comment and like. Thank you so much, and we will see at the next video.